We are really pleased today that we have started early childhood development training at the University of Chitral. This initiative, a joint initiative of the Foundation of Empowering Students and the University of Chitral, as a transformative initiative in the region. It's important for the marginalized community, where children 3 to 5 would be provided a quality training, early childhood training and education. Their physical, cognitive, communicative, and socio-emotional training would be done as per the highest standard.
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to WEF for providing such a wonderful, such an excellent 10 days training program. Throughout the program, I gained my insight into the modern teaching methodologies, lesson planning, classroom management. I'm thankful to the trainers, to the management for their dedication and support.